If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To add money to a Revolut digital card, go to your web browser or just simply download the Revolut application on your mobile device. But in my case, I'm going to use web browser for adding a money to Revolut digital card. Now, click the plus add money button and you will redirect to add money where you can enter your desired amount to add to your virtual card. But in my case, I'm going to add a amount of £100. After that, just click the add money button and you will need to put your card details in here in order to add the amount to your digital card. Once you're done, just click the add button and that's it. That's how you add money to Revolut digital card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.